these are just some of the case studies that you can access on our website at condusiv.com. I certainly won't bore you by going through all of these. I'll pick out one example, which is Bell Mobility on the bottom left. Bell is a telecoms company in Canada, and they saw the V-locity software reduce the storage I/O traffic to their storage, to their SAN, by 61%. Now, I'm going to say that again because it sounds too good to be true. We reduced the storage I/O traffic to their SAN by 61%. And this gave them SQL report queries that were now 3 times faster with no additional hardware required. All they had to do was install the V-locity software, which, as I mentioned earlier, is completely non-disruptive. There are no SQL code changes required, no reboots required, and really zero disruption to live running workloads.